What if your body had an internal recycling plant that could literally clean up old cell junk, slow aging, fight off cancer, and might help you live past 100? Scientists call it autophagy, and it's so powerful, it won a Nobel Prize for the Japanese researcher who spent his life with test tubes, yeast cells, and pure curiosity. Today, we dive into the science that can keep us younger inside. And reveal the life story of the world's leading autophagy expert, Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, who inspired millions to take cellular health seriously. So let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi was born in 1945 in Fukuoka, Japan, and developed a passion for science early on. After prestigious studies at the University of Tokyo and work in New York, he eventually focused on an obscure part of the cell called the vacuole, using yeast as a model. His approach was humble, non-competitive, and he faced many setbacks, but his single-minded focus on overlooked scientific corners led to breakthroughs. Ohsumi's work uncovered how cells break down and recycle their damaged proteins and organelles, crucial processes for survival and health. His research deeply impacted medicine, showing how defects in autophagy are linked to diabetes, cancer, Parkinson's, and even infertility. He's won almost every major science award, from the 2016 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine to the Canada Gairdner, KO Medical Science Prize, and many more. But Ohsumi always emphasized curiosity-driven basic research, even if he didn't start out thinking about aging or cancer. He became a mentor for scientists worldwide, transforming biology and showing that pure scientific exploration can change health for everyone. What is autophagy? Autophagy is the cell's self-cleaning and recycling system, a way for cells to remove damaged or unnecessary components. There are three main types. Macroautophagy. The most important and common type, where the cell creates bubble-like membranes called autophagosomes to envelop and carry away large chunks of cellular debris, broken mitochondria, dead proteins, and more. This autophagosome fuses with a lysosome, which contains digestive enzymes that break down the debris, allowing the cell to reuse the parts. Microautophagy. The lysosome itself engulfs small amounts of cytoplasm and damaged components directly, folding inwards to trap and digest the waste. Chaperone-mediated autophagy. Selective, where specialized molecules guide faulty proteins straight into the lysosome for breakdown, one by one. This type is heavily involved in protecting nerves and brain function. All three systems help the cell survive starvation, remove disease-causing agents, and repair itself after stress. Ohsumi's work showed autophagy isn't simply cleanup, it's how life adapts, repairs, and stays vital, especially under tough conditions like fasting, illness, or injury. How autophagy boosts health and longevity. Autophagy's role goes far beyond basic cell maintenance. Autophagy slows aging by removing old damaged cell parts that otherwise build up and cause toxicity, cellular dysfunction, and chronic inflammation. Loss of autophagy is linked to faster aging, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even muscle wasting. This process is vital for brain health. It protects neurons by clearing toxic protein waste, crucial for preventing neurodegeneration and maintaining mental sharpness. Autophagy helps control cancer risk by removing abnormal, potentially cancer-causing proteins before they can trigger cellular chaos. The immune system relies on autophagy to destroy invading viruses and bacteria, and to clear infected and malfunctioning cells. Fasting, exercise, and certain plant-based diets are natural triggers. They can stimulate autophagy, letting the body pause and renew itself, making it clear out the clutter and rebuild with better parts. The wonder and the warning. Here's the twist. As we age, autophagy activity slows down, letting cell waste pile up. This is a key reason why chronic diseases become more common with age, and why scientists are exploring therapies to boost autophagy, through diet, medicine, and lifestyle, to fight aging and extend healthy lifespan. But too much autophagy in the wrong context can be harmful too, showing that balance is everything, and more research is ongoing before using interventions widely. Dr. Ohsumi's legacy, the future of health. Dr. Ohsumi didn't start out searching for the secrets to long life or cancer prevention, he simply followed scientific curiosity. His discoveries proved that basic research could unlock big health revolutions. Today, his work inspires medical breakthroughs in diabetes, cancer, neurodegeneration, and aging. Would you consider fasting, plant-based eating, or exercise knowing it could make your cells live younger for longer? Tell us below, and be sure to subscribe for more expert-backed health stories.